So guys, in this video we're gonna talk about 3 mistakes that affiliate marketers make when they start out their affiliate marketing journey. So guys, what's up? RJ here, back on the channel out there, and today in this video we're going to be talking about 3 top mistakes that affiliate marketers or newbie affiliate marketers make when they start out or they get the part of the journey. So be sure to stick to the end out there, and I will let you know how you can simply get the solution out of it as well when you start out or even if you are in the process. Okay, number 1, the first thing that people get in the mistake of getting into affiliate marketing is they don't select a niche. And what I meant by that is, if someone asks what you do and they're like, oh, we do affiliate marketing. In this online world, there are 3 type of niches out there, and there are sub niches. The first thing is health, wealth and relationships out there, and there are sub niches out there into it as well. For example, if we have wealth niche, in wealth niche we have different type of things out there. Let's say we're doing affiliate marketing, we're doing SaaS, we're doing as a part of an agency. Some people are doing blogging, some people are doing other things as well. These are the things that people get mistaken of. And even when we talk about specifically about affiliate marketing, when they niche down, they just don't try to understand in affiliate marketing there are also so many types of product. There are courses, there are softwares, there are health type of product, there are wealth product, there are survey type of products as well. So that is the biggest mistake that people start to make out when they don't consider a perfect niche out there for them to promote as an affiliate, so that they don't get themselves the expertise of that particular thing. The second thing what people get mistaken of when it comes to affiliate marketing is the traffic source. So oftentimes what happens is people just get into affiliate marketing. The first mistake that when it comes to traffic they make is, they get into affiliate marketing, get their links out there and start spamming around every freaking traffic source. And that's not the case. How affiliate marketing works, and it works better, is if you pick out 1 or 2 traffic sources out there, probably 1, but if you have a little bit more time out there, go for 2 traffic sources out there and then use both of those traffic sources in order to get those affiliate commissions out there. So for me personally, I use Facebook and YouTube out there to get those affiliate commissions out there, to generate those sales through these type of traffic. Because on the learning phase, I don't say that I have mastered Facebook, I have mastered YouTube out there. It's not like that. It's the learning process. But the thing is, when it comes to YouTube and when it comes to Facebook, YouTube is more like social and search based, so people are searching on YouTube out there. And if people are searching on YouTube, they're normally a hot traffic out there. They're almost searching for a product out there to buy or seeing the review out there. And we as an affiliate marketer are the bridge between the product itself and the consumer, and we become that particular bridge out there and we sell those products out there. So for, let's say, if you have a video out there on YouTube and it is somewhat similar to what is ClickFunnels or ClickFunnels pricing, ClickFunnels versus any other funnel building platform out there, and they watch your content, and if they like your content and you have a bonus in YouTube out there, they will get attracted to it and they're gonna buy, because they were already a warm traffic out there searching on the content out there. And Facebook is somewhat little bit different. The fundamentals again of all of the traffic sources are the same, but when it comes to Facebook, on Facebook what we do is that we build our audiences, and by leveraging other people's audiences. So we have other people's Facebook group out there, we create content, we engage, we talk to them, we create a relationship with them, we see what are the products they are good fit of depending on our niche, because one product is not the solution of all of the problems out there that people are having up. So this is the thing that people need to understand. And when we talk about traffic, they need to go for 1 or 2 traffic out there, and then once they start to make good amount of sales, so that they can go for leveraging other traffic source as well. So number third problem that people make is they never build an email list. And if you've been the part of the internet marketing space, you've heard about this, that money is in the list, and that is absolutely the fact. Money is in the list, and the reason is there are 3 types of traffic out there: traffic you own, traffic you control, and traffic you can and that is the thing just people don't consider about those things out there. Because when we talk about traffic you control, you're using the power of advertisement and these type of things out there. And the second thing, when we talk about the traffic you own, the traffic you own is basically your email list, okay, your own asset, and that is the asset of your digital real estate out there. Because imagine if you're somehow growing the list out there And if you're growing the list out there into this particular space, imagine you have 1,000 people if you're in your email list. Now you have the access of 1,000 people. You can just send 1 or 2 email out there and get the attention of all of those 1,000 people. Isn't that crazy? So that is one of the most important part what comes when people just don't build out email list. I saw many times it happens that people are promoting affiliate products from different affiliate networks out there, and I'm like, hey, have you built a bridge page to capture the emails? And they were like, no, like why we want to create a bridge page? We just don't need to. I was like, why in the hell you don't? It is important to have a bridge page to capture emails out there, because imagine if you have 100 people and then you have 1,000, you have 10,000, you are getting your audience that you simply own. No one can snatch your email list out there. No one can snatch that particular list from you. So you have that particular asset in your digital estate. One of the best example is that if anyone, like even for Skype, like for Skype out there, like how Microsoft bought Skype out there, they would have created something similar to Skype, like in how much, like in an hour or so, something like that. The reason they bought Skype and paid like billions of dollars is just because of their consumer list. They had millions of people into their list out there. They have already had those customers, and that was the reason that they have went on and they go and buy Skype and paid like billions of dollars just because they had the list. So these were the 3 things that we talk about, the top mistakes that affiliate marketers make or newbie affiliate marketers make when they get into the journey. I have a friend out there who started out from negative balance to make 6 figures in probably 1 year out there, specifically through affiliate marketing and through Facebook and YouTube. He have also had a free training. I'm gonna put in the link in the description down below that you can simply watch and you can get the idea about how you can simply start making money or more money using affiliate marketing out there. So just go in the link in the description down below. You can simply check it out. And yeah guys, if you like this video, be sure to like and subscribe to the channel out there, and I will see you guys in the next one.